Look at this hair, isn't it neat? Just the thing I needed to make my Wig Wednesday video complete. Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who loves everything curly? Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. Everyone, make sure you're clicking that bell so that you're getting all your notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos that I post every single week. This week's Wig Wednesday is epic. I will be collaborating with Trendy Tresses. I am so thankful for them for sending me this beautiful hair to try out. Y'all know I love my wigs and my drawstring ponytails, so when Trendy Tresses reached out to me, I was ecstatic about trying out their goddess curls. You guys, I did crochet.
Really?
Did you hear me? Y'all, it ain't a wig. This is crocheted by me. I crocheted it. I'm so proud of myself. This is the first time I've ever done anything like this, but when Trendy Tresses reached out to me, I definitely had to try it because these curls are bomb. You guys, I just can't even. I can't believe I crocheted. Now y'all know if I can crochet, anybody can crochet. Once again, I am collaborating with Trendy Tresses for this video, but as always, you will get an honest review from me. I got about 5 packs with mine, and I ended up using 3.5 packs for this install. So this is what the packaging looks like. Mine is in a 14-inch, and this is the color 1B. This hair is so soft. And on the back it tells you that the amount of bundles needed for an installation would be 3 to 4 depending on desired fullness. I'm not the type of person that likes a lot of hair, so 3.5 was just perfect for me. I did use 1 pack just to learn and get used to crocheting, so that was also a factor of how many packs I truly went through. Also, it shows you how to keep your tresses looking trendy. It tells you how to take care of the hair. An important tip is the less you tamper with your hair, the longer it'll last. The only shedding that I did experience was when I did split the hair apart. That is one thing I have to say when you guys get this hair. Be mindful when you split it apart to do the crocheting. It will start to frizz up a little bit, but you'll see in the video how I just kind of spiraled it back and it went right back to its curl. So most of this video is going to be you guys seeing how I installed this hair. Again, keep in mind this was my first time ever doing crochet, and you guys should also know that I use the braidless crochet method. I do not braid. I don't know how to braid. I can only do plaits, but for this one I did do the braidless method without the wig cap. So once again, most of this video is going to be of me actually doing the install. So if you want to see how I turned this into this, keep on watching.
I belong to you.
I belong to you.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else.
Yeah.
Let you down. so shy when it comes to you. But I guess you're curious, huh? So let me show you.